Hey guys, this is
Thor
and Louise,
and
you are now following us into our dream. Hey!
Hey!
Yeah, so talk and I will get the book.
Yeah, we just want to make a little video here. We were at home and then we found, or refound, or I read a little bit in this little book here. It's our notes about Elysium, and we saw a description of how we wanted Elysium to be, an early description of the place.
Yeah.
And we just want to share it with you.
Yeah. And because we are Danish, then we read it in Danish, and we think it has something more than the translation. So I will read it aloud in Danish for our Danish viewers, and then Thor will read it aloud in English for all you other lovely viewers.
Yeah. And right now we are in Jimena de la Frontera.
Yeah.
Or Jimena, or how to pronounce in Spanish, but yeah. And we're just on this nature trail. It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
Louisa has been hiking it daily. It's so amazing.
Really amazing. We are gonna show you in the last part of the video.
Yeah, we're gonna make a
Yeah. Okay. Elysium er et hjem, et fristed, et fællesskab. Elysium er bygget op omkring grundprincipperne for veganisme, spiritualitet og earthships. Elysium er et stort skridt på vejen til ny, lys og let jord. Elysium skaber mulighed for kontakt med naturen, sjælen og hinanden. Ægte og kærlig kontakt. Elysium giver os mulighed for at finde og udfolde vores dybeste potentiale. Det vi kom på jorden for at udrette. Meningen med vores liv. Yeah.
That was the early script about what you want Elysium to be.
And to feel like and just yeah.
Now it's English for you English viewers, and again something is lost in translation as always, but you get the gist.
It's still very good.
Yeah. Elysium is a home, a place for freedom and a place for community. Elysium is built upon the principle of veganism, spirituality and earthships. Elysium is a big step towards a newer, lighter and brighter earth. Elysium creates the opportunity for contact with the nature, one's soul and each other. True, honest and loving contact. Elysium gives us the opportunity to find and expand upon our true potential, what we came to this earth to do, the meaning with our lives.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah. We have, this is sort of a beginning to a manifesto we talked about, I think. And now we have a manifesto on our webpage which describes in more detail what we feel about Elysium or how we want it to feel.
Yeah.
So you can check that out. The link is in the description if you want to check out the whole manifesto.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna show you where we are because it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, also him, but
yeah.
Yeah, so look. Wow.
Just nature and trees and mountains and rivers all around. It's very harmonic.
Amazing.
Harmonic, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
When the storm clouds are blowing through, you'll know that you have no home in this world. When the darkness does bury you, will see light for your long journey. Lost like an orphan, broken, you have no home in this world. Glory, the gates be open, heaven hold you, sacred pearl.
journey, we enter the magical forest. Nah, too scary.